So we're about to go out to go and fishing. My brother-in-law and I, Justin, was here. So hey, pray for us to catch some big fish, okay?
Pray for us to get back safely.
And get back safely too. I know. Awesome. Let's take our photo. There we go. There we go.
Anything you want to say to people before you jump out?
Hey guys, I pray I'll be back safely.
That's somebody's husband, somebody's father, and somebody's pastor. So we hope you. All right. See you.
And catch some fish.
Yeah, let's go.
We are here fishing. And Justin back there. I don't know if they can see. He's kind of dark. Nah, they can see. So we are fishing. I need to do my devotion on the lake. Oh, you got two seater? Yeah, we're good. Oh, we got too many things. I know. You already going low in the back there.